Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the panel and bowl of your Thermomix TM31. This task can seem daunting, but with the right tools and instructions, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts during the process. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure the appliance is completely disconnected before proceeding. Next, remove the bowl from the base. To do this, simply lift it straight up and set it aside. Now, we will focus on the panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, locate the screws on the back of the Thermomix. There are typically 4 screws that need to be removed. Carefully unscrew them and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the panel away from the base. Be cautious as there may be wires connected to the panel. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws that may have been missed. Now, let's take a closer look at the internal components. It's a good idea to clean the inside of your Thermomix while you have it open. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or residue. This will help maintain the appliance's performance. If you notice any damaged components during your inspection, it's essential to address these issues before reassembling. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify any problems and provide solutions tailored to your needs. Once you've cleaned and inspected the internal parts, it's time to install the new panel. Align the panel with the base and gently push it into place. Ensure that all wires are properly positioned and not pinched. Reinsert the screws you previously removed, tightening them securely but not overly so, as this could damage the panel. Next, take your new bowl and place it back onto the base. Ensure it sits securely and is properly aligned. This is crucial for the functionality of your Thermomix. Before you finish, it's wise to test the appliance. Plug it back in and turn it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your Thermomix serviced without the hassle of calls or travel. Finally, if you need a quote before repair, we can provide that as well. It's always best to know what to expect before proceeding with any repairs. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the panel and bowl of your Thermomix TM31. Regular maintenance and timely repairs will ensure your appliance continues to serve you well for years to come. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.